This is Daisy with Forward Machine Factory, the independent brand of Forward Automation Equipment Technology Company. We have 10 years of experience in the mobile phone repair tools and accessories industry. At present, we directly serve more than 29,000 customers in the 164 countries and regions. Empower the global technology shopkeepers is our constant purpose. We are a source manufacturer integrating product research and development, product production, and product sales. We have launched the Zero Plus film cutting machine series and developed a solution of starting small business on a low budget for those people whose business volume of offline stores has declined, those who want to start a business with low investment, and those who seek side business to increase their income. For mobile phone repair shopkeepers, we have launched a series of self-developed repair screen equipment. The product line covers screen separation, glue removal, lamination, and bubble removal. For example, blue light laser separation machine and separators for separating mobile phone screen, and laminating machine RMB3 Plus, RMB5 Max, CEO2 Max, etc. for laminating mobile phone screen. All products have obtained the qualification certification of CE, FCC, and other institutions. We have professional research, development, production, and sales team with a total of 350 people. We have a leading service after-sales team equipped with professional engineers to answer questions and one-to-one targeted after-sales service. We adhere to the tenet of quality first, custom first, and reasonable price, and provide one-stop service and products for the users. Welcome to Consult.